Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Check your macOS version and free disk space so the download won't fail. Once done, sign into the App Store with your Apple ID. This authorizes the installation. Now search for Garageband in the store and tap Get or Cloud icon to start. You're initiating the actual transfer, so make sure Wi-Fi is stable. If you're on a meter, switch networks. This first step moves you from planning to action quickly and reliably. Once the download finishes, open Garageband to trigger its installer and optional sound library download. This adds instruments and loops. You should allow microphone and input permissions when prompted so recording works. If you use external devices, open Audio MIDI Setup to verify sample rates and device routing. Mismatches cause clicks or no input. Make sure to download only required libraries first, then add extras later to save time. You finish by creating a simple project and recording to confirm input, output, and loop playback. If you notice latency, open Preferences and lower buffer size for responsiveness or increase buffer for stability. Make sure sample rates match across devices. If Garageband won't open or libraries fail, quit, reinstall from the App Store, and reset microphone permission in system settings. That single troubleshooting move resolves most issues, and then you'll be ready to start producing tracks immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.